Hey guys, does anyone know where a good used pair of lights like this is, or the lens cover? Because I only have one. I think I might have another housing, I'm not sure. But I'd like to get two new. This lens, I don't 100% don't have another one, so I need this lens. And it's, focus. It's a Ford part. Got that at top. I can't find I find lights for a later 7610, but this is an 82, so it's the first year made. Uh, so, I don't know. Might have to leave them off. The backup light's pretty simple. I just get a light for the front, but with a different mount, and that'll work. I'll rebuild the backup light, but this lens cover is very hard to find, it seems, so. They might make them, but it's not going to be Ford probably, so. I'll let you guys know, gonna put this on Facebook group, and if you're interested, check me out on YouTube at N.R.T. Off-Road Performance. As you can see, we got tons and tons, and that's all bad bearings right there so far. Tons and tons and tons of work to do. And the rest of the truck is behind that wall. But, yeah. But, thought I'd make a video, so. Got the paint, too, so that's good. Got all blues are done. 2 gallons sitting there, so that should be more than enough, so. Just need to get some primer, some white, and some black, and get in painting, so. Got a set of micrometers on the way from, Labworks. For the motor right there, so I get my engine guy the numbers he needs and get that engine kit on the way so I build the engine. I am going ahead to replace the liners or sleeves, liner sleeves, and yeah, I'll catch you on that.